Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make spaghetti sauce. First, begin by sautéing 1 large onion and 4 cloves of minced garlic in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are soft and fragrant. Next, add 1 pound of your preferred ground meat, such as beef or Italian sausage, and cook it until it's fully browned. Remember to drain any excess fat from the pan to keep your sauce from being too greasy. Now, let's build on that base. Stir in a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 15-ounce can of tomato paste for a rich, robust body. Pour in 1/2 cup of red wine and let it simmer for a few minutes. This really deepens the flavor. Finally, season your sauce with 1 teaspoon each of dried basil and oregano, plus a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. With all the ingredients combined, it's time to let the magic happen. Bring your sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook for at least 1 hour, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings, adding salt and pepper to your preference. Your incredible homemade spaghetti sauce is now ready. Ladle it generously over your favorite cooked pasta. For an extra touch of freshness and flavor, garnish with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and a sprinkle of chopped parsley. It's truly the only way to make it. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.